In this video, I'm going to show you how to make bhindi curry, lady fingers. It's a very easy recipe to make and you can eat it with roti or rice. I've got some bhindi here, or it's also called lady's fingers, which I am going to just chop both ends off a little bit and just slice them into fairly thin slices. This bhindi is now ready to be cooked, so I'm using a slightly large vessel. I'm going to put about 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil in here. This dish requires slightly more oil. I'm adding mustard seeds to the oil. The mustard seeds have started popping. I'm adding about half a teaspoon of hing. I'm going to lower the heat a little bit, add the bhindi. To this add about 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and on medium flame I am just going to let the bhindis cook. This doesn't require a cover because otherwise the bhindis will become sticky, so just let it cook as it is. Just every now and again, just give it a stir so the bhindi doesn't actually stick to the bottom. I've got 1 tomato here. I'm going to just use half the tomato in this bhindi, which I am going to just chop it in small pieces. Okay, the bhindi is more or less cooked, so I'm going to add the chopped tomatoes to it. Put about 2 tablespoons of cumin and coriander powder, about 1 spoon of red chilli powder, and salt to taste. Give it a good mix. Turn the flame off now, and the bhindi curry is actually ready. This bhindi is ready to be served now.